you're still watching, that's awesome, and thank you. You just watched the time lapse of us installing this 3-panel door. It's a door from Western Window Systems. They're out in Arizona. We've done a lot of these doors. I think we're in the hundreds. I'm not sure, I've never counted, but it's a lot of this exact variation, this exact size, this exact color, everything about this. We've done so many of these doors. So thank you for watching the time lapse. It's really, really windy outside, so once I open it, you're not gonna be able to hear me, so I'm not gonna do any talking once I open it. I think we're over on the Ohio-Indiana border today. We're closer to the border, we're in Ohio. But this door opens up to a fantastic view. So I think I'm gonna turn into a shadow, but I'm gonna go ahead and open the door and we're gonna get a shot of the view, and then I'm gonna close it, and that's gonna be it. So it's unlocked.